never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations, oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Hi there, sweet friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen, and I am enjoying this gorgeous, gorgeous autumn day out here on our patio. Just got done filming a little fashion show for all of you, so hopefully you'll stay tuned for that. I had to tell you how funny it was. I'm out here and I'm filming, trying on my outfits. I'm going inside, in and out, putting on new outfits, and my husband's inside. And he's inside going like making these funny faces. I'm trying not to laugh. It was like hilarious because he sees me out here like trying to pose and walk around. But anyway, we always have so much fun. But so you're going to see that here shortly. So let me see what's going on. So tonight we have a neighborhood annual picnic, and it's such a gorgeous day for it. So I'm gonna make something like they sort of break up the alphabet, so I'm like one of the main entrees. So I'm just like, what can I make that's simple and easy? And I've got ground meat, I've got peppers, I've got sauce, I've got pasta, I've got cheese. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna whip something together like that. And you guys will help me in the kitchen, and we're gonna do that here in a little bit. In the meantime, I'm just sitting out here enjoying my yummy pumpkin smoothie. I have a vanilla protein shake and some pumpkin, ice, cinnamon, and pumpkin pie spice. Yeah, so so good, and especially on a day like today. As you can see, hopefully you can see, the leaves are changing, my friends. I feel like this is so much earlier. I don't know if I mentioned this before, so I'm sorry for repeating myself, but it feels like it's so much earlier this season than it had been in the past. And I think because we have not had rain. Oh my gosh, friends, I feel like it's been 3 or 4 weeks. But we are supposed to get rain tomorrow, actually tonight into tomorrow. And I'm sort of nervous because everything is drying out so fast that I don't want the leaves to come down too quickly, because then that just means we look at sticks for the next 6 months, and that is so depressing. So I am out here as much as I possibly can, enjoying these gorgeous days, enjoying the hues of the autumn season, which is my absolute favorite, and watching TV. I'm going to be watching a little football here this afternoon. In between that, we're going to be in the kitchen doing a little cooking for our neighborhood get together, and just chit-chatting with you, my friends. So I hope you all are doing well. I hope that you're enjoying the season. Hopefully it's cooled down where you live. If not, hopefully it will soon for you, and you can really enjoy the weather like we have had here. It has just been seriously just so glorious, and the blue skies and the beautiful breeze and open windows where you can sleep like a baby at night. Oh my goodness. So anyway, okay, I'm gonna go finish this. I'm gonna watch a little tube. I'm gonna do a little work and enjoy my morning until we get into the kitchen and start cooking. Okay, so I'm getting my meat browned here We're gonna add then peppers, diced peppers and onions. And let me see, salt, pepper, like garlic powder, Italian seasoning, crushed red pepper to this. And this side over here, I'm going to cook up my pasta. So we're gonna get all this moving, and should be a quick and easy meal. So in the background, it's gonna be a little noise because I do have my football on. It is a Sunday. So we're gonna go ahead and dice up some onion. Love this thing, saves me so much time chopping. So we're gonna do the onion here, and then we're gonna dice up yellow and orange and a red pepper. Don't forget, keep your bits, friends, because you're gonna want that when you're making your soup broth. So you wanna have soup broth, I like to save the bits, and this is soup season, so just a little reminder to keep your little bits and freeze them. Do is you save your bits. I put it in one of these bags here and stick it right in the freezer. It's gonna be perfect now when I'm ready to make my soup broth. Just added salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning and some crushed red pepper to our meat. Now I just added some tomato sauce. And friends, if you wanna make it easy, grab some jar sauce even to throw in here. And marinara, whatever, just to make easy when you're putting together a quick meal. I'm gonna let this simmer for just a little bit. I'm still waiting for my water to boil so I can get our pasta cooking. My first outfit is the Mongolian cashmere structured cardigan, and I love that it's a tailored silhouette, and you can either wear this separately or obviously for layering over blouses or tees. I love that it has a breathable softness. It is just absolutely stunning, my friends. I have it paired with my Bella Stretch pocket wide leg jeans. I've showed you these before. They are curve hugging, they're high rise. I love the wide leg. I love the pocket detail there in the front. Again, you can dress these up or dress them down. And again, my little favorite shoes, my Italian leather hand woven ballet flats. These are so beautiful. They're crafted from 100% Italian leather. I think this is such a cute outfit and so comfortable. Next, I have been eyeing this top for quite a while, and it is the stretch silk velvet long sleeve shirt. And oh my gosh, you guys, it is so super soft. It's blended with rich silk, soft velvet, and a little hint of a stretch to it. It's just luxurious. I love that it has the buttons. You can dress it up, dress it down. And again, I have it paired with my patch pocket jeans and my cute little Italian leather woven ballet flats. Okay, now let's talk about this lightweight down packable puffer jacket. That's a lot to say, but it's made with 100% recycled polyester and premium goose down. It's so lightweight, you can literally fold it up and take it along with you. What I love, you guys, the colors are so beautiful. I love this kind of a jacket because when I'm wearing like a bulky sweater, it's the perfect way to put on top. And I have it paired with this gorgeous skirt and top. You all have seen me talk about the cashmere tee. I also have it in a different color. This is one of my absolute favorite tops. And this Mongolian cashmere fitted midi skirt is so comfortable, but yet it's elegant. And I love how it just hugs your curves, and I love the midi length. So this whole outfit is going to be something I'm going to be wearing a lot during the fall and winter seasons. And again, I've got my cashmere tee here along with these jeans. They're Bella Stretch wide leg jeans. And it's like the 70s kind of inspired. It has that perfect little stretch to it. Again, it hugs your curves. It's a high rise, the relaxed wide leg. And this color is so beautiful for the autumn season. It is a coffee bean brown. Well, good morning, friends. Last night we had the best time at our neighborhood get together. It was just great catching up with people. We met some new neighbors because we have a new section of homes being built. And so we got to meet some new neighbors, and that was just so nice. The food was delicious. Actually, we have some leftovers, so I'm gonna be having some for lunch today. But I thought it'd be fun to make something really cozy and festive today. We're gonna make a pumpkin maple latte. It's like autumn in a mug. It is so good. So I'm gonna make that here in a few minutes. And also, I did my little fashion show for you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed it. But I also wanted to share, there was one more thing that I switched around and recently, and I got a new comforter. Mark is just not a fan of duvets. He just feels like, I don't know, even though you tie the ends in there, he just does not like them. He thinks they just drive him crazy. So anyway, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get a comforter. And Quince has like the best sheets. They have the best duvets. If you like a duvet, they've got comforters. Of course, you saw that gorgeous blanket that I shared with you when I decorated my family room for the autumn season. I'll show you the blanket again. I want to add like an autumn hue to the bedroom, but also one that I can carry on even into the holiday season. Actually, you can use it any time of the year. What am I saying? But anyway, I just put that on my bed, so I want to share that with you because it's so cozy and so pretty. Now, though, I want to order the shams because I did not do that because I just think that will just be so pretty. But in the meantime, though, I'm really in the mood for this pumpkin maple latte. So let's go ahead and get everything together to make it.
Free flowing, sailing with the wind, not knowing how this story ends. Kind and brave, I know you'll find a way. Live your truth and good will come to you. Home, sweet home.
remind myself to share with you my new quilt. And I love this beautiful olive color, and it is from Quince. Like I shared a little bit ago, Mark does not like duvets. He's always like trying to fight with them. I don't know what it is. It's funny. But anyway, I've been wanting to get a quilt from Quince because, again, their bedding and all that is top notch. And I also love sort of the story behind it too. So as you can see, I've got a multicolor. I got orange, like a little burnt orange. I got some beige and white. So I do want to get the shams that go with it because I think it'll be really, really pretty. But it's so comfortable, friends. So easy to make the bed, and my husband absolutely loves it. But I want to tell you a little bit more about it just because I don't know. I really like when there's a story behind stuff, and I think this is a pretty neat story. Okay, so what I love about this is it is woven with the finest 100% organic long staple cotton. So it's like 4 layers, and it's also put together by skilled artisans. And it's a 3rd generation family and business owned. And I like that it's renewable energy. They recycle their fabric waste, and it provides housing and free education to all their employees. And talk about giving back. So if you guys have tried the Quince bedding, let me know. But I am telling you, friends, this is just so beautiful. So soft and cozy and comfy. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add my pillow shams, and I'll be good to go. Well, friends, I ran out real quick. I forgot I had a nail appointment, so I got another really beautiful kind of an autumn shade. It's so pretty. And I'm eating a little leftovers from the block party yesterday. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And what else? And anyway, so on my next video, I have got some more lovely fallish things to share with all of you. I hope that you enjoy my little fashion show and my beautiful comforter from Quince. Let me know maybe what your favorite piece was. And just let me know how are you all doing? Happy autumn. I hope that you are enjoying the first day of fall officially. I know tonight it's going to be chilling out. I've got to get this video edited and out to you guys literally in 4 hours. So I've got a lot to do yet. So if you just like this kind of content and like seasonal inspiration for decorating and just entertaining and just hang out with a friend, I surely hope that you subscribe to my channel and head over to Instagram and follow me over there as well, my friends. I hope that you stay safe, you stay well, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, friends.